Arizona Riders Club, ride with us.
Up, 16. Karen. Yeah, I remember you, Karen. Mad for no reason. Look at her.
Here we go. 70 grand. One time, 70 grand. 70 grand. They might sell it. 70 grand.
You know what I never really thought of? When you're driving this amount of cars, different, whether it be manual, automatic, you've got some that are even Euro that have the right side driving. So I'm gonna give these drivers some props, man, because nothing's been scratched, nothing's been dinged, nothing's been dotted, and it's all going down, man. It is all going down. So come on, let's go back to these lacs, man. These Eldorados. These are the ones I actually wanted to see. Let's take another soiree around this thing. Look at this beautiful piece of art. Man. Looks like the green one's not sold yet, fellas. Come on out. Woo. Goodness. Look at that body. That tail end looks just astonishing. Yeah. Are you proud of my vocabulary? We could do this all day, man. We could do this all day. Let's take another look. White and yellow wall. Whew. Beautiful. All right, let me go all the way around to show you guys the grill.
Up and over $25,000. Takes a little more. Bring it.
Look at that. You know what? I prefer that grill. I like that grill a lot better.
It comes to the race red. It is the
A little custom work over there too. Nice. Well, no, or is it electric headlights? Maybe. Jeez Louise, guys. Well, it's been real. I think this is it. There's a whole nother wing over there, man, but I've been walking all day. It's starting to get pretty hot. And we're gonna go take a look at that vet one more time, man, just because, woo, man, is it bad. But yeah, it's been a blast, man. This Viper, whoa, love it. I'd rather have the Viper over the Corvette. I just like the way that Viper looks, but this Vet, man, they've really done a number with this Vet, man, and I appreciate what they're doing. I'm going to find out who designed this new Vet and get back with you guys. I told you I'd let you know how much that limo went for at the auction. I also told you I'd let you know how much that Bentley Continental GT was going for. So I'll do a live later on tonight and tap in with you guys. But for now, follow your dreams. Get out there and hustle. 2022, let's make money. You ready? Ride with us.